Steam Mops deliver powerful, chemical-free cleaning by using high-temperature steam to sanitize floors and remove dirt effortlessly. They offer quick drying, versatile use on multiple surfaces, and eco-friendly maintenance, making home cleaning efficient, hygienic, and safe for families and pets. In this video, we recommend the 7 best steam mops, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. The Shark S1000 Steam Mop delivers powerful, chemical-free sanitization using only steam and water, effectively removing grease and grime without leaving residue. Its removable water tank allows easy refills for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Weighing under 5 pounds, this lightweight mop is easy to carry between rooms and simple to store. The sleek design features swivel steering, making it highly maneuverable around furniture and tight spaces. The dirt grip textured microfiber pads are machine washable and provide excellent absorption with added scrubbing power for stuck-on dirt. Steam heats up in just 30 seconds for fast, efficient cleaning. With an 18-foot cord, it covers a wide cleaning radius without frequent outlet changes. Suitable for all sealed hard floors including hardwood, marble, tile, stone, laminate, and vinyl. The Shark S1000 combines effective steam cleaning, ease of use, and versatility for a spotless, sanitized home. Number 6. Bissell 1948 Power Fresh Steam Mop. The Bissell 1948 Power Fresh Steam Mop offers natural sanitization, cleaning sealed hard floors without harsh chemicals while eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria using the power of steam. It heats up quickly, ready to use in just 30 seconds for fast cleaning. This steam mop features a flip-down easy scrubber to tackle tough, sticky messes with ease. The Smart Set digital steam control lets you choose high, medium, or low steam levels to suit different cleaning needs. With swivel steering and a 23-foot power cord, it provides excellent maneuverability and a wide cleaning range. The mop comes with a microfiber soft pad, a scrubby pad, 2 Spring Breeze fragrance discs, and a carpet glider for versatile use across various floor types. Powered at 1,500 watts, the Bissell 1948 combines effective steam cleaning, customizable settings, and convenient features for a thorough and refreshing clean throughout your home. Number 5. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop delivers powerful, chemical-free cleaning using the natural power of steam, making it an excellent choice for homes with children and pets. It heats up rapidly in just 30 seconds, allowing you to easily refresh hardwood, tile, laminate, and carpeted floors without harsh chemicals or residue. This versatile mop includes a detachable handheld steamer perfect for removing wrinkles from clothes and cleaning upholstery, sofas, and drapes. Simply hang your garments and steam away stubborn creases quickly and safely. Its lightweight design and swivel mop head provide excellent maneuverability to reach under furniture and tight spaces. The comprehensive accessory kit features multiple brushes for grout and hard-to-reach areas, a scraper, squeegee, carpet glider, and microfiber cloths. The collapsible handle ensures easy storage, combining powerful steam cleaning with convenience and versatility for every home. Number 4. Neugo Steam Mop. The Neugo Steam Mop delivers powerful cleaning with steam reaching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively penetrating surfaces to remove tough grime and grease using only water. It heats up in just 20 seconds, providing a deep, chemical-free clean that leaves floors sparkling and fresh. Its adjustable steam modes let you tailor the intensity to your cleaning needs, from gentle steam for delicate hardwood floors to stronger steam for stubborn stains and heavy dirt. This versatility makes it perfect for hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, and even carpeted floors. The mop features a large, removable water tank that allows longer cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Its adjustable height design helps reduce bending, while the comfortable handle and balanced weight minimize hand and wrist fatigue during use. With quick drying times and streak-free results, the Neugo Steam Mop offers an efficient and ergonomic way to maintain spotless, hygienic floors throughout your home. Number 3. Steam and Sag 806D Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. The Steam & Go Sag 806D 10-in-1 Steam Mop offers versatile cleaning beyond floors with its detachable handle and 360 degrees attachments, allowing you to easily steam tile, grout, carpets, furniture, and hard-to-reach corners. This multifunctional tool replaces multiple devices for efficient home cleaning. Its dual tank system separates water and detergent, giving you flexible control over cleaning intensity. Use distilled or scented demineralized water in the main tank and your preferred diluted detergent in the second tank for optimal performance. Refilling is simple and spill-free with the included cup and funnel. The mop is designed for easy maintenance by using only recommended liquids, helping to extend its lifespan. Each unit undergoes quality control checks to ensure durability and performance, making the Steam & Go Sag 806D a reliable and effective solution for everyday cleaning tasks. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.